Okay, press the stop button and press the out button, it cannot go out. So I measure the voltage. Incoming there's a voltage, but when I measure here, there's no voltage. Okay, I press the button, there's no voltage. Strange. Measure here, press, there's a voltage. That means something wrong with this relay. Can it be open? Let's try again. However, there's a voltage here. When I break the circuit, push button, but push back, still got voltage here. That means somewhere short circuit here. Check the current, 100 milliamp, 50 milliamp. That means there's a short circuit here. So push button, shut, short circuit.